One awesome combination. This is the brand new model Range Rover Vogue SE D300, which is a 300 brake horsepower. But the colour combination, on the exterior you have something called the Lantau Bronze, which is quite a new addition to the Range Rover family. And then you have the Perlino leather interior, which I'll show you in a few more seconds. This is a 2222 registration with only 2,700 miles on in a fabulous combination. Starting off from the front, you have the black badging, you have the LED style daytime running lights and the full adaptive LED headlights. You've also got things like the headlight washers, which are built in flush into the front bumpers, but the styling on the new Range Rovers is absolutely out of this world. Such a comfortable car. You've got the new style grille with that brushed aluminium effect on there. You've got front rear parking sensors with power park assist, and you've also got 360 view camera system. That's a camera on the front, camera on the sides, and a camera in the back. Now this car is fitted with 21-inch upgraded alloy wheels, finished in high gloss black, and because the car's done such little miles, the car is like brand new, the wheels, the bodywork, the interior. You'll then see sections of the bottom here, which is high gloss black. The new Atlases have a beautiful finish to them, black mirror cap covers, sun protection glass, and you've got the black window surrounds as well. You've also got the electric deployable flush door handles, so when the door's locked, they go in flush, unlock it, pops out enough to get your hand in there, and then to open the car. Look at this interior. It is genuinely one of the best interiors you can physically get today in the market. It's nice and comfortable, but it looks luxurious. You have the ambient lighting, that lovely dark wood just complements that Perlino leather interior. The new two-spoke steering wheel, which is nice in your hands, feels nice and warm because you have a heated steering wheel, but it's also leather wrapped. You've then got the 13.1-inch curved ceramic glass media screen, which has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation. It's got everything. Heated seats, dual zone climate control. Remember, this car has tilt and sliding panoramic roof. And then you have that lovely black chrome finish to the interior inlays on the top dash around the air vents as well. Other things like the Meridian sound system, the electric seats with memory seats, both for passenger and driver. The split dash, so you've got bottom section and the top section there. Centre armrest comes with more cubbyhole space, twin cup holders, and if you slide this back, you've also got more USB and USB-C underneath. The different drive terrain, and then again, lovely slider hub away with a wireless charging pad. Remember, the new Range Rovers come with four-wheel steering, and that makes a massive difference when you're driving this car at high speed and low speed, especially turning. Round the back in here, the rear passengers have their own climate control, that same lovely leather interior, ISOFIX attachments, centre armrest comes down with cup holders, and you have cubbyhole space there as well. If you're not going to use a sunroof, you've got electric blind that covers the full thing. But for me, every part of this car is top quality. It feels and looks brilliant. But most importantly, this is going to go live today and you'll see it's the best value Vogue SE D300 on the market today. With only 2,700 miles on, it genuinely isn't going to hang around. It looks fabulous. Round the back with the new styling, you have that pulsating rear lighting system, and you've also got the indicators built into the black panel here. The black badging round the back, automatic tailgate, and then this car has an extra called the electric deployable tow bar, which is just here. Press that button, and electronically, you'll see from the below, the tow bar will come out. Utilise it. When you finish with it, press the button again, and it falls away. Dead easy. So when you're not using it, it's out of sight, out of mind. The curves, the lines, everything on this car is absolutely perfect. And like I said, there is no damage. You've got hazard warning assist there. And then as for the engine, it's got a nice quiet engine, but it performs very well. The new digital dashboard there. You've got adaptive cruise control, and I mentioned this the other day, the car pretty much drives itself. It has self-steering, so when you put it in cruise control, you set yourself, and then these two things here go green, and literally every few seconds, all you have to do is tap the steering wheel, and it takes care of everything else. Paddle shift, multifunctional steering wheel here as well, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. But then check this out. This is your 360 camera system in 3D. You can see every part of it, wherever you want to go. It's just brilliant, literally brilliant. And you've also got the off-road camera system as well. So if you go there, it's as if you can see under the car if that door was closed. Your climate control and your heated seats are down here. You've also got the front and rear heated windscreen. Nice frameless interior mirror. The car's beautiful, but genuinely it's the drive. If you're sick of waiting for one and you don't want to wait 2 years, this one's physical, it's available, it's here. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. I'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.